Hello everyone! If you're looking for a budget-friendly laptop that stands the test of time, check out this Acer Aspire 5. I've personally owned and used this laptop for 6 years, and it's still working great.
Wow.
It features a sharp 15.6 Full HD display, powered by an AMD Ryzen 3 processor, and Radeon Vega graphics. The screen is easy on the eyes whether you're working, browsing, or streaming video. It has a 128GB solid-state drive for fast boot times, a backlit keyboard for dim lighting. That's one of the things I really wanted, was that backlit keyboard. It gives you plenty of ports too, including HDMI, multiple USB connections, so plugging in external gear is completely seamless. After 6 years real-world daily use, this reliable machine has been impressive. If you want a dependable, affordable laptop that has proven it can last for the long haul, this Acer Aspire 5 is definitely one to consider.